Hubbell wiring Device-Kellems understands what it takes to produce devices that put patients' and employee safety at the forefront while withstanding the unique challenges of healthcare environments. Downtime, disruptions, or disconnections can be the difference between life and death in medical facilities, especially during uncertain times of crisis. Our devices have always been designed to withstand abuse, whether it's frequent use, repeated impact, potential corrosion, temperature changes, or damp conditions. This unique combination of dependability and durability has put Hubbell's devices at the forefront of emergency healthcare when disaster strikes. During such unfortunate events, there is great potential for established healthcare facilities to be stretched beyond capacity through triage, testing, or critical care activities. Hubbell wiring Device-Kellems' full line of hospital-grade plugs, connectors, switches, receptacles, power strips, and USB charging devices ensure a safe healthcare environment regardless of the circumstance. In the event where alternate facilities need to be quickly converted to a medical capability, Hubbell offers a full line of medical-grade SNAPCONNECT devices that offer fast installation and superior dependability. In situations where it is necessary to quickly establish temporary medical care or testing sites, Hubbell offers a variety of products that can withstand extreme conditions and deliver dependable power, lighting, and communication. Our full line of watertight devices, available in straight blade and twist lock configurations, combine IP69K moisture protection with built-in strain relief and impact resistance. The Hubbell line of portable GFCIs offers superior circuit protection in extreme conditions and can be deployed whenever and wherever they are needed. Hubbell's temporary power distribution systems set the standard for safety and performance when it comes to temporary power needs. These systems support indoor and outdoor applications, providing power in emergency situations to keep life-saving systems and procedures up and running. Hubbell's line of single-pole and pin-and-sleeve devices are designed for high-power temporary equipment and built for the most demanding environments. In addition, Hubbell's temporary lighting devices can be deployed in all indoor and outdoor applications. Rounding out the Hubbell offering, cable and hose protection in the form of Truck Track, Tread Track, and Pro Track offer durable weight resistance and slip protection in easily installed modules. With a distribution network developed over a century, Hubbell wiring Device-Kellems is prepared to quickly respond to emergency needs whenever and wherever they arise. If you need reliable connections every time and without interruption, look to Hubbell.